Hey YouTube, Daytrading Fearless here. Hope everyone's having a great day. Okay, so let's dive right into this. So in today's video, we're going to talk about day trading versus swing trading, what the differences are, and maybe kind of help you guys out with a couple of things between them. So let's get right to it. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing what exactly is day trading, what's scalping, what is swing trading, and then also what is long-term trading. So first off, what is day trading? Day trading is anything to do with buying and selling a stock, option, futures, forex, or even binary option all within the same day. Okay, so let's say we'll take Apple for example. Let's say you buy 100 shares of Apple at 10 a.m. in the morning when Apple's trading at 160. You then by noon, 12 p.m. We'll say 12 p.m. Apple's trading at 162. Well, you made $2 per share times 100 shares. That's $200, and maybe you want to take profits in the same exact day. So what you do is you go to your brokerage account and you sell those 200 shares. That is called a day trade. Okay, now a couple things with day trading is to be able to day trade stocks, you need over $25,000 in your account if you're going to buy and sell in the same day. If you don't have 25,000 and you have below that, then you're allowed to do that 3 times within a 5 rolling business day period. This is really hard for a lot of people to understand, so we're going to get right into the nuts and bolts of it. Let's say Monday, okay, you haven't traded for first time trading. You have 25,000, we'll say 30,000 in your account. You can buy and sell all you want, no restrictions. Let's say you only have $10,000 in your account, okay? If you buy Apple today, you turn around and sell Apple today, that's considered one day trade. If you do all 3, if you buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell 3 separate times throughout the day, on Monday, you are not allowed to do another day trade until the following Monday. Okay, now let's say you do one day trade today, you buy and sell Apple. Tomorrow you buy and sell Apple, and then on Wednesday you buy and sell Apple. Okay, so every day you've done equivalent to one day trade. Well, come Monday, the one you did the previous Monday, okay, that one day trade will fall off and you could do a new day trade on that Monday, but you only could do one. And then on Tuesday, the one that you did the prior Tuesday, that falls off, and on Tuesday you could do another. So I hope that kind of gives a little clarification. A lot of people do get margin calls. I used to work for a brokerage firm, and that was probably one of the hardest things for a lot of people to really understand. Now, one caveat to this. Let's say it's a 4-day weekend, or sorry, a week. Let's say it's Memorial Weekend, okay, and there's no trading on Friday. Going back to the same scenario, on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you do one day trade per day, okay? What's going to happen is, because Friday's not is a trading holiday, we'll say, okay, that day trade from Monday won't fall off until Tuesday. Remember, it's a 5 rolling day period. So I hope that helps. The same thing goes along with options. You need to have over 25,000 in your account to be able to trade options, okay? Day trade them. Now, if you trade futures or forex, okay, or binary options like Nadex, then you don't have any day trading rules that go against you. You can buy and sell all you want. You can have $500 in your account. You can have 5,000, 100,000. You can buy and sell all day long. That's why a lot of people like binary options. They like futures and also forex. they also trade 24 hours a day, so you kind of get a lot more benefits trading those products than just stocks or options. So there are pros and cons with both of them. Now, let's go to number 2. What is scalping? Well, scalping is essentially the same as day trading. Okay, with scalping, what happens is you're just looking for maybe a couple pennies, a couple cents, 20 cents, 10 cents. A really good example are people who day trade penny stocks, okay, where they actually will buy 5,000 shares of a stock, okay, or 10,000 shares of a stock. Well, for every penny it goes up, you're looking at $50 or $100, right? So if it goes up a dime, you just made $1,000 on a 10,000 share lot, okay? But you could see bigger exaggerated moves with penny stocks than you can with regular stocks. Also, you could buy a lot more because these stocks are $1, $2, $3 versus $100 per share, okay? So going back to it, scalping is something more of where you're just in and out of the market really quick. You're looking for real small gains. Next, what is swing trading? Swing trading is anything where you hold a stock overnight, at least one night, to potentially a couple weeks, maybe even a month or 2 months, okay? 3 months, you could still be considered a swing trader. Now, if you going back to the day trading thing of if you buy stock and you turn around and sell in the same day, that's a day trade. But if you buy a stock today and you sell it tomorrow, that is not a swing trade. That is not a day trade. That's more of a swing trade, and that's legal in an account below $25,000. So you could buy a stock right before the bell closes on Monday. Tuesday morning, the bell opens, let's say the stock gap's higher, you could turn around and sell that stock, and that is not considered a day trade. So I hope that helps. But again, swing trades where you're looking for bigger moves. You hold the stock for a couple days, couple weeks, maybe even a couple months. And then what is long-term trading? Long-term trading is more for people kind of the whole buy and hold. Maybe you hold a stock for 6 months, a year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. You're looking for the bigger moves. You don't care about the intraday fluctuation or even the short term. Maybe the people who day trade are usually investors where they're value investors. They trade more off fundamentals than technicals. So that is kind of going back to what is day trading versus swing trading. I hope this was helpful. Make sure check us out at Day Trading Fearless. We always have brand new blogs coming out. Just information, trade setups. We have our trade zones. If you trade the E-mini S&Ps, the gold. If you trade crude oil, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, or Netflix, what we do is we give you trade ideas and trade levels. So make sure you check them out. The link is down below. If you click or look down below in YouTube, you'll see a link. Also, we have recommended brokers and also books. If you're new to trading and you're looking for some really good books to read on Amazon, just click down below. Those are the recommended books. So I hope you come visit us. Make sure you do what everybody else says. Thumbs up and subscribe. So thank you for checking out my channel.